guys, it's Lori. Hey, Kaylin had asked me to put together a short video on some tips on how to get going on some static balance drills. So first starting, you can kind of do what we'll call a double cheat. That's what we're going to do here. I'm going to put my rear tire in this little trench here. Then I'm going to take my front tire and I'm going to dig a little hole for it in the gravel to give it something to push against. So that's how we're going to start. Get that rear tire down in there. Got something for the front tire to push on. Then we got to get up on the bike. So I like to do static balance with the front brake locked. That's really helps stabilize the motorcycle. And then we're going full lock. In this case, I'm going full lock to the left. And so when I get up, I need to balance this motorcycle as I'm putting my left foot on the foot peg. So I'm going to have a whole lot of weight on my right peg and a whole lot of weight on my left handlebar. That's going to stabilize the bike as I get up and stand up on the pegs. And the taller you get on the bike, the more leverage you have. You're going to want to look a long ways away from the motorcycle. Don't look right in front of the front tire. The further out you look, the more it kind of slows everything down. This allows you to use your feet, your knees, your hands, your head, your butt, everything to counterbalance that motorcycle. Eventually you can get to where you take your hands off, take your feet off, pegs, stuff like that. Okay, here we go. We're going to do static balance with the bars turned the opposite way. This time we're get the bars all the way to the right. Left foot on the peg. I'm going to put a whole lot of body weight into the right handlebar as I get up off the pegs, and I'm looking way out in front of me just to kind of slow the world down. That is how you get going on static balance drills. Get out and do it. Good luck and have fun with it.